How to fix an Instagram suspended account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix an Instagram suspended account. First, check your email for a message from Instagram explaining the reason for your suspension. This email may include instructions for recovery. Next, follow any instructions provided in the email, such as clicking a link to appeal the suspension. If you didn't receive an email, go to Instagram's Help Center and use the My Instagram account was deactivated form to submit an appeal. Provide your username and any supporting information. When filling out the appeal, be honest and clear about the situation, explaining why you believe the suspension was a mistake. Keep your explanation brief and avoid aggressive language. After submitting the appeal, wait for a response from Instagram. The review process can take a few days to weeks, so be patient and avoid submitting multiple appeals to prevent delays. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.